When I got in my first car accident, I've actually been through 3 with this firm, and I reached out to a friend. I said, do you know of anybody that can help me out, that is compassionate, knows what they're doing? So I reached out right away, got an immediate call back, and I was actually driving downtown Colorado Springs, and someone ran a stop sign and T-boned me. And if I had been 2 feet forward, I would have been dead. Was unconscious for a brief few minutes as my car was rolling into a building. I was able to get it stopped. As soon as I called, I got a call back and was given information. The biggest fears I had would probably be reaching out to an attorney that was really just not going to be communicative and not give me the professional expert opinion that I needed. I wanted to make sure I had somebody that had my best interests in mind.
When someone comes in and we meet with them for the first time, they're scared. Generally, there's a lot of uncertainty. All of a sudden they're involved in some kind of traumatic event and their life has been turned upside down. And so we want to be able to provide them with enough information so that they understand the process, so that that uncertainty fear gets quelled a little bit, and also provide them kind of structure and a path forward so that they have an idea of what to expect in the personal injury arena claim. There's no fee to sit down and chat with us. We deal with what's called a contingent fee, and that's contingent upon recovery. So we finance your case, and we don't collect any fee until the end. So there's no out-of-pocket financial concerns that you have in any way, shape, or form when you come hire us. And that should, again, quell that fear that people have when all of a sudden their life is turned upside down.
They were able to help by giving me the lay of the land and letting me know what to expect through the process. And then also as things came up and we had to adjust, I was communicated with very effectively, was given proper expectations, which I think was really important for me as I'd never gone through something like this before.
If you're wondering how to choose a personal injury attorney, I think the main thing that you look to is experience. Has this individual dealt with this area of the law? Have they dealt with insurance companies before? Again, our firm's been at this for 28 years, and there's a reason why we've been at it for 28 years, is because we understand how the process works. And so we can maximize your result with the insurance company. The other thing I think you should be looking for is a trial lawyer. You want to make sure that you maximize the result, and the insurance company needs to understand that your lawyer is willing to go to trial. And so we prepare all of our cases as if they're going to trial so we can maximize the result for our clients.
The firm made me feel very heard and that my case was important. I wasn't just another number, and so I felt like I was being very well taken care of. I have already recommended the Hanchey Law Firm to multiple people that have been in car accidents, and I would absolutely do that.
What I would tell somebody who's afraid that they can't afford a lawyer is they don't need to pay us up front. And we don't get paid until our clients get paid at the end of the case when there's a settlement. So there's no risk to come in and sit down with a lawyer. On the contrary, it's more important that you get in and see a lawyer, get signed up so that you can focus on one thing, and that's healing.